guys, my first ever car mukbang. I have so much food here, so much good food. So chips, and I have dip. I have a corn dog. This is jalapeno cheese. So good. Oh man. That's so good. And then I picked up some onion dip. Uh-oh. Hubby's coming already. I didn't even get to enjoy my mukbang. And here's some onion dip with chips. Oh, that. Oh my god, we're moving. I gotta stop my mukbang. Hey guys. Ooh. Okay, so hubby and I. Ooh, what happened? My camera has a life of its own. Okay, hi. So hubby and I. Ooh, I almost lost that. We went to a movie tonight. We saw Tom Cruise, Mission Impossible, and it was awesome as always. Tom Cruise. But anyway, so after the movie, I thought, oh, I should just get some food and do my vehicle mukbang because I've been waiting to do one. So you saw a little tiny bit from earlier, right? When we were parked just outside of the store, one of the stores, because hubby kept looking for some, what was he looking for? He was making drinks. So we're still camping, and he wanted to make some drink with vermouth. And so he's been going around trying to look for a club soda or something like that. Anyway, can't find anything anywhere in this little town. We're in Rocky Mountain House. And anyway, so I picked up some stuff to have a snacky snack. Yeah, I even picked this up, a lemon. No, that's not for now. That is for my husband for when I make him some guacamole. Because yes, he's still doing that keto thing. Yeah. Okay, so I have a few different things here. I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so you might remember that I already took a bite of this. Oh, you won't be able to see it. I'll have to do a zoom. So this is cheese and jalapeno corn dog. So I've been craving this like crazy. It took us like a half an hour to drive here. We're at the campsite right now. So hubby's out making a fire. Oh my god, so good. So good again. That's so good. Oh my god. I don't have a drink. Oh, right after the movie, we went to a bar called Rocky's. It was like just walk there. It was just like around the corner. Actually, kind of like straight down at the end of the road. It was really, really close. And so anyway, we went in there, and this little old fella sat beside me and struck up a big old conversation. Where are you from? And all that stuff. So we're telling him we're from Fort McMurray and whatnot. Anyway, and then this other fella sits beside my husband, and we don't know if it was loaded. We have no idea, but it was so funny because he kept talking to my husband, and my husband understood absolutely nothing that this fellow was saying. Like zero. We could not understand anything he was saying. And then other people kept coming over and talking to this fella. So he's probably a regular in the bar and stuff like that, but Like, we had no idea what he was saying at all. And my husband is trying to like, oh yeah, like this. But he had no clue. It was so funny. The waitresses there were really nice. Oh, so I have onion dip. Yeah. I'll just open that a little bit. And then I have Old Dutch ripple chips. Yeah. Ah, yummy. I have such good snacks tonight. So I won't be having a whole lot. You know what I'm like, right? Mmm. My most favorite dips are onion and dill pickle. When I was young, it was onion. That was it. Onion. Nothing else. Oh, you got something besides onion? No, thank you. Onion, that's it. I'd like have nothing instead. But now, I have this crazy thing for dill pickle dips. I don't know if, when I was at the bar, so I asked for a red wine, and I asked for a 6-ounce. She gave me a 9. It was huge. So I had a whole bunch of ice, and I enjoyed it. Mmm, yummy. Yummy in my tummy. What? Yes, I will have some more jalapeno and cheese corn dog. Yum. So good. So good. You ever put something in your mouth and it's so good, you just don't want to swallow it? You just want to keep chewing. That's what I feel like right now. It's really dark here, hey guys? It is so dark. There were a few lights around, and then back that way, hubby got the fire started. Okay, so here is a passion flaky cake. Wait, super passion flaky. So when I was young, oh, apple raspberry, that's different. It used to be always strawberry when I was a kid. So yeah, when I was young and I used to babysit, and I'd run to the store and I'd get a bunch of snacks before I went babysitting so that I would have something to eat. Because I'd just go there, eat and watch TV, you know, and take care of the kids if they needed me. But mostly, I just sat around. The thing that I usually do is I pull it apart. It's going to be so messy, you guys. So usually, I could see it's all like, it's falling apart. Okay. Anyway, what I always do is I would take it apart. Oh, shit. See? I knew that was going to happen. And then I have the yummy, yummy goodness right there. And then I would eat that. Oh my God, what a mess I made. I should have poured all the flaky stuff right into my mouth at the start. Oh, balls. Oh well, I'll have to clean up later. But anyway, oh my God. What a mess. But I would always spread it around. I wonder if, no. This can't be the regular the regular one that I used to get when I was young. Because it had apple, and I'm sure it wasn't apple. But it sure tastes the same. It really does. It tastes the same, but I always thought it was strawberry. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. It's good though. So good. This is what happens when you don't eat supper. Whoa, whoa. Oh no. Okay. I'm still eating. Hello. There we go. Okay, I'll have to turn those guys on again. That was funny. Ooh, and it's so dark here, it's spooky. I was going to tell you guys about that. Sean and I were talking. So, those fellas in the bar, they kind of freaked us out a little bit. And then when we left the bar and we were walking toward the vehicle, there's like nobody outside. Nobody. Zero. The place is empty. It's almost like it's abandoned. And then, ooh, there's a little bit of whip stuff on this side. But anyway, it's so like quiet. Beautiful town though. Oh my god. So the sidewalks and everything is so nice. It's very, very nice. I kept telling my husband, it's really nice here. So anyway, and then because there are fires all over the place, like forest fires and stuff, that there's smoke everywhere in so many towns. Even all the way to Fort McMurray, they're getting a whole bunch of smoke. Ah! Damn it! I think I'm going to have to start the truck up or something. But anyway, it's going to go out again. Just open the door every now and then. Oh. So when you look away, like down the road or whatever, it's all smoky and you can't see stuff. It's so spooky. And then when we're driving, we left town and we're driving on the highway. We drove for almost half an hour and did not see anybody. Not one single vehicle passed us. And plus, because there are signs everywhere saying that there's deer possibly crossing the road, Sean only drove like 70 kilometers an hour. And still, nothing came up behind us to like pass us or anything. Nothing. It wasn't until we were almost at the campground that finally we saw one vehicle. Like seriously, spooky place. Oh. Oh my god, what a mess. This is so good. This is like a dessert mukbang, hey? It's all over my pants. What a mess. My husband's probably like, what the hell are you doing? Oh, and also before I left the bar, I ordered 2 dozen wings. I ordered 1 dozen of the hot. I think it's what is it, Frank's? I think it was Frank's. And the other one is something like roasted garlic or something. But anyway, I have it down there on the floor. But I have so much food right now. I can't eat it all. So now I'm going to try Junior Caramels. What the heck was that? Whoa, creepy. See what I mean? Everything's really creepy. I'm going to have to show you guys my lap after before I close the mukbang. You can dress me up, but don't take me anywhere. Okay, so these are Junior Caramels. I was thinking about getting the mint ones, and I changed my mind because I really like putting chocolate in the freezer. And then when you eat it, it's really, really hard and it lasts long. Excuse me. Oh, I'm getting full, see? It lasts a really long time. Oh my. Mmm. These are really good. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, one more. Oh. Okay. Gotta save those for the freezer, hey? Okay. Now. It's stuck to my teeth on the inside. Okay. So, I have to fold up my chips. Oh my god! Okay. So, I folded up my chips. And I'm going to cover my dip. I'm going to save that. Because I really want to finish my corn dog. So good. Mmm. Yeah. And this will be the end of it. But it's so good. Yum. Yum, yum. I'll be sitting at the fire. So I'm going to have to go make myself a little glass of wine. And then we can hang out. Sweetie. Oh, this is so good. Two of my favorites. Cheese and jalapeno. I'm really going to need a drink after this. I'm salivating like crazy. Yum, yum. Oh, that's crispy. I gotta clean up my... Oh, man. I gotta clean up my mess. Okay, I'll show you guys the mess I have created. Look at that. Isn't that terrible? And it's all over the seat too. Oh, you like my top? Yeah, it's cute, right? Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching again, you guys. Take care and see you again soon. Bye.